Hello everyone, today I'd like to do unboxing of this folding storage box by Hessian. That's the name of the brand, Shaping a Better Home Life. So let's get inside and see what's in the box. So everything is packed really nicely here. As you can see, it appears to be already well packed because it's plastic, so it's all in plastic. I'm gonna remove it and we'll see how it looks. So these are all the parts that I'm gonna be setting up using the manual. I'm happy that it's packed really well, so I don't have to worry about transportation and whatnot. So let's see. So everything is here. I would say it's mostly pre-installed, which is fantastic, right? So you can just go ahead and just install the other parts that need it. But apparently everything is, you just need to make sure that you install based on the instructions, and that's what I'm gonna do. So everything just needs to be put into places, and it's really intuitive. You really don't even have to look for instructions, and instructions are on the Amazon page, as you can hear. Yep, everything's just aligned well, and you just need to put the top on it, press it, and you'll be good to go. And these are the handles. Look at this. Oh, I'm loving this design. This is the front. It's really neat. Really neat. Let me put the top on it and we'll see how it looks when it's completely done. So I just put the top lid on it. Basically, it doesn't attach to anything. So if you want to put in the stuff, just removing the lid, you can do this. And then you can just, put it on the top. You should be good. You can use the front, door or the side door to put in the things. But I really like the concept. It has the wheels at the bottom. So yeah, I'm really happy with this item. It took me less than a minute to set it up, so this is a wow product, and I highly recommend it. The quality is good. There's no any chemical plastic smell that comes usually with such products, and it looks amazing. Yeah, and that's the side of it. Yep, I highly recommend it, and thank you for watching.